Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my show More Talk Football. Now, with all of you guys knows about most important transfer news and rumors in football world. So let's see. Ajax keen on Suarez reunion. Ajax have spoken to Barcelona about the possibility of re-signing striker Luis Suarez. According to De Telegraph, a summer upheaval is expected at Camp Nou after their 8-2 thrashing against Bayern Munich in the Champions League, with Suarez among a number of senior players to be linked with a move away. The 33-year-old scored 111 goals in 159 appearances for the Eredivisie side between 2007 and 2011 before moving to Liverpool. Dybala mulling over move away from Juve. Argentine star could leave Serie A giants. Paulo Dybala is, according to Tuttosport, once again mulling over his options at Juventus. The Argentine enjoyed a productive 2019-20 campaign, having previously come close to leaving and was expected to sign a new contract in Turin. No deal has been agreed though, and there are no fresh rumors suggesting that Dybala could be moved on to help free up funds. Barcelona back in for Neymar. Barcelona are ready to rekindle their interest in Neymar. According to Sport, the La Liga giants endured a disastrous end to their 2019-20 campaign and are now looking to step up efforts to bring a familiar face back to Camp Nou from Paris Saint-Germain. Barcelona impossible. Guardiola's agent Pep Guardiola will stay at Manchester City 100%, his agent Josep Maria Ortega has told, with a return to Barcelona for the Catalan considered impossible at this stage. A disastrous end to the 2019-20 campaign has made Quicksilver's position at Camp Nou untenable, with the man only appointed in January set to see a brief stint in the Blaugrana dugout brought to a close. Guardiola will not, however, be breaking his contract at the Etihad Stadium in order to return to his roots. Barcelona close to agreement with Koeman. Netherlands boss on verge of replacing Setien. Ronald Koeman looks set to take over at Barcelona this summer. Mundo Deportivo claims the former Barca star dreams of coaching the club, and the Catalan side see him as an ideal successor to Quique Setien after their latest disappointing campaign. Koeman is close to reaching an agreement with Barca and will sign a 2-year deal.